Hi guys, in English 7, this is your Summit English Instructional Launch for week 9. The first thing I want you to be aware of is that there is a teacher in service. That does not mean that you do not have school. What it does mean though that some instructors are going to be away to attend a Summit Fall Convening. That's a training starting on Wednesday, October the 25th. Through Friday, October the 29th. This does not mean that you do not have school. You still have school. There will still be some instructors at the office, but understand that this means that Google Hangouts, the responses could be delayed. In fact, starting Wednesday is probably not the best idea to expect a response immediately on Google Hangouts, and it also means that the Learning Lab that is generally held on Thursday, it will be limited, as the email from your principal lets you know that there will be some instructors but not as many instructors in the office from October 25th to October 29th. So 7th grade, this means that we need to talk about some things. We're going to break it down for everybody of what needs to be done so that you're on track with English. Remember, the end of the first progress period is October 26th, and your project is due November the 1st. There is not much time to get a lot of things done. So let's take a look at your Summit English course. As always, we are going to default to your week page. This is for the week. And look at your English. Make sure that you are adding goals. There are a lot of goals to add. Right here is not the beginning of what you need to add, but I would really like to see some more adding of what's going on in your project cultural narratives. If you look down here, there are steps to get things done in your checkpoints. Now, when we take a look at the year view, you can see that you should be trying to catch up with the blue line of progress that is quickly approaching November. And hopefully you have something here in green. Reading Strategy 7 was the very first one. Word meaning, you can see the blue line is now on sentence patterns. I hope you're keeping up. The additional focus area of mechanics will help increase your grade. It's not necessary that you do the extra credit, but if you want a good grade, then you need to do the additional focus area. What I want you to really concentrate on this week is getting this project done. Projects are 70% of your grade. You cannot get a good grade until the project is done. So let's open it up. Okay, the thing that you need to have done is your book journal. You need to have your own narrative, that's your own story, and you need to find a way to present your own story. So hopefully you are here finishing up these checkpoints, which should have been done quite a while ago actually. Finishing the house on Mango Street, you should have this checkpoint done. All it is a form. That's pretty easy. The next very easy thing to do was to fill out another form after you've read the house on Mango Street. When we open this up, all this is another form. And there are 3 places: your first journal, your journal entry, your second, and your third journal entry. The third checkpoint is to do an outline. Again, when you click it open, it's another form, folks. It's really not that hard. The next part of the checkpoint is a presentation of your story, your own personal story. Some learners are choosing to do Google Slides, which is one of the easiest ways to get this done. Others are using Screencast-O-Matic. I like Powtoons. If you find another kind of presentation tool where we can get a recording of your voice so that you can put it into your final product presentation of your story. So one more time, what needs to be done for the Cultural Narrative Project, 70% of your grade. Finish the house on Mango Street. You can find that book online. Make sure that you have checkpoints 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 done. That might seem like a lot, but they really are very easy to complete. When you finish them, submit them for feedback down in the corner so that they can be checked off. And before November the 1st, you need to submit your final products. I know that there are some people that are really concentrating on doing those focus areas content assessments or tests, and they think that taking the diagnostic is going to improve their score. Do not take the diagnostic assessments over and over. It's just a pre-test. You want to take the post-test, but concentrate more on getting projects done. So yes, we are cheering you on. We know that you can do it with a little bit of effort. Put some more time into this and submit as soon as possible. Again, we will be away this week, but we will be back and checking up on you. So let's get it done. Have a great week.